Hi everyone, my name is Tufts. I've completed my fieldwork at Courtside Sports Medicine here in Regina under the supervision of Dave Bodgick, who's a certified exercise physiologist. Courtside is a multidisciplinary rehabilitation center that uses an active functional approach when working with clients. This means that therapists in the clinic provide clients with the physical practice and education they need specific to their injury so that the client can be empowered to regain function and return to their everyday life. For my special project, I focused on the education aspect of rehabilitation and the topic of athlete injury prevention. Education is a big part of what we do here at Courtside. Therapists provide education to individual clients and community groups on a regular basis. On the clinic computer server, there's a large database of existing information and pre-made presentations on topics such as anatomy, posture, and tissue healing, among many others. However, there's no previous presentation or research saved for therapists to use on athlete injury prevention. So for my project, I collected and summarized recent research surrounding athletic injury prevention to create a PowerPoint presentation and speaking notes to be used at a moment's notice by professionals from Courtside. I spent several weeks collecting data and creating the presentation. The objective of my project was to create awareness about proper strategies to prevent injury and enhance athletic performance. My goal was to make this presentation applicable and informative for any athlete who may see it and hopefully provide information on techniques they can use to prevent injury in their future. I also wanted to create something that would add value to the clinic, which this project did immediately since one of the physical therapists presented on this topic at a conference for young female athletes shortly after I completed it. The project was also saved on file for use by members of the clinic who may need to access or present on this topic in the future. Because my presentation was being used immediately by one of the staff members at Courtside, I was able to brainstorm some ideas with her throughout my project. Not only did this give me the information and guidance for my presentation, but it also gave me the opportunity to practice communicating ideas with other professionals. If I were to do this project again, I'd definitely use these personal resources more. A clinic like Courtside is full of experienced professionals, and this project taught me that as a student or new kinesiologist, my coworkers can be some of my best resources going forward. Completing my special project gave me a good opportunity to apply research to a real-world situation. I really had to think critically about the research I was reading and find ways to summarize and compile it in a relevant way. Additionally, the project helped me improve my knowledge on injury prevention, which is something that I can take with me into my professional career. I'm very interested in athletics, therefore it will be good information to have going forward when working with athlete populations. Overall, this project taught me valuable information on injury prevention, research skills, and project planning while providing my agency with a valuable presentation to be used for years to come.